In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this chemistry problems under shape of molecular compounds. So guys, we have 11 repeated questions to practice with. In this video, let's get started. The first question I have here says the shape of a molecule of water is without tetrahedra, octahedra, pyramidal, non-linear. The right answer is option D, which is non-linear. Okay, so the next repeated question with this one, it says which of the following molecules has a linear shape? We have methane, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide. The right answer is option D, carbon dioxide. That's for this question. The next question with this one, it says which of the following molecules chlorine gas is linear in shape? So the one that is linear in shape is our chlorine gas, basically. Yeah, it's not water, it's not methane, it's not ammonia. So guys, that's right. The right answer is option B. So chlorine gas is linear in shape. The next question of this one, it says the bond angle in tetrahedral molecules such as tetrachloromethane is, so the right answer is option D, 109.5 degree. Take note of this particular question, guys. Often comes out. The next question with this one, it says which of the following molecules is not linear in shape? The one that is not linear in shape is ammonia. Ammonia is trigonal pyramidal, so it's not ammonia. The next question is this one. It says what is the shape of a molecule of this? So it will be tetrahedral, option D. Take note of this particular question as well, guys. The next question with this one, it says the shape of methane is tetrahedral, option C. Take note of this particular question as well. The next question with this one, it says in linear molecules the bond angle is 180 degrees, option C. Very important. Take note of this particular question, guys. The next question with this one, it says the shape of the water molecule is V-shaped, option D. Very important. Take note of it as well. The next question with this one, it says the molecule which has a linear shape is carbon dioxide. Yeah, I think we have dealt with it already. The last question before I end this video with this one, it says which of the following molecules has a linear structure? So is carbon dioxide, guys. So this basically can do problems involving shape of molecular compound for your chemistry practice with 11 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. I'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your next exams that you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.